Welcome to Nerdy Teachers. We've got two exciting announcements for you today, and we don't like to waste time, so let's jump right in. First up, we've completely revamped our website, nerdyteachers.com. We've made it easy for us to add and edit written tutorials from anywhere, so you can expect more content more often. The site also has a new look. We've gone dark mode. Our new 8-bit icons and overall theme were made with the Pico 8 palette. You'll see a new top navigation panel with buttons for different categories of our resources and tutorials. We've highlighted the Intro to Pico 8 page as a great starting place for beginners, and also the Pico 8 guide to make it easy to find this Pico 8 companion tool. Below that, we've separated our tutorials into these categories. Bite-sized games. The bare-bones examples of classic arcade-style games where beginners can follow along and quickly have a working prototype. Game mechanics. All the juicy features like visual effects, movement, collision, and more. Pico 8 API. We want this to be like the guide, but in video format to explore how to use each built-in function fully. Audio. Here we add to Gruber Music's introductory videos with written tutorials and demo cards. We hope that other Pico 8 musicians will lend their talents to help us include even more sound and music tutorials here too. Platformer series. Our popular video series will have its own section with each video broken down into separate written tutorials to match. Below the tutorials, you'll find our community tools. The Draw Pixel Art and Sprite Library sections have already been fully updated to the dark theme. The library has also been simplified to make sprite browsing and copying even easier. Simply hover your mouse on any sprite to view its name and size. Click on a sprite to view it larger. And click on this Copy to Pico 8 button to paste it directly into Pico 8 and start using in your game. The last link on this page brings us to our second announcement. We're very excited to open our brand new Discord server. If you don't have Discord, it's a great place to connect with like-minded people, and we can't wait to bring our nerdy community together more than ever before. At first, our focus will be to grow the Pico 8 community and support beginner Pico 8 developers. With the new free education edition, it is easier than ever for anyone to start making games and learn so much in the process. We believe Pico 8 should be in as many classrooms as possible, but we need your help to build and support the resources to achieve that. We'll also bond over our other nerdy interests. Whatever kind of nerd you are, if you're a gamer, crafter, artist, tinkerer, writer, the list goes on and on. We welcome you to share any and all of your nerdy skills and hobbies with us. So click the link below to join us on Discord, and we can't wait to share more updates with you very soon.